Okay, so I'm going to print this airplane. And first I'm going to print it on paper to make sure I get it lined up right. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to do it as a fast draft, which is just really a quick print. It doesn't give you the same colors that you would normally get, but it's really quick. And I don't know for sure that this is lined up the right way, but once I print it, I will know. And then I can put my cookie on the tray after that. So let's, come on with it. So I've got my Milton tray and I just have a piece of paper just with tape on the sides. And I'll use that to line everything up. Okay, so that worked nice. Now I'll get my airplane. And then what I will do is I will draw with a pen around it so that I have a template as to where I set it up. And just remember, every cookie is not the exact same size, so you have to allow for a little wiggle room in your design. Done. I'm going to hit it with the heat gun real quickly.